There's like 3 minutes left.
Are you recording?
Yeah, some of it. I was vlogging. I didn't think the Warriors was gonna lose. Dang. This is what I call hating that shit. Look at this. Look. Look. Look at that. Bruh. I work hard, bruh. Look at that, bruh. Cleaning the car. This is what I come across. Okay, everything else is cool, but like, what the? I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, this ain't the first time I seen like some weird stuff in the car from like, you know, from other people and stuff. You know what I mean? That's like not normal wear and tear, you know what I mean? That's not normal wear and tear. You can definitely see that it wouldn't tear if this was like, you know, normal. So like, I don't know, man, like, I'm gonna have to find something else, which I'm already doing something else, but still, dang. It's just like for my safety reasons. Niggas is doing shit like that while I'm driving, you know what I mean? I'll be always on my toes, but still, like, see it for yourself. You know what I mean? It was a cool run. You know what I mean? I don't know, but it was a cool run. You feel me? Cause, you know, I got to meet new subscribers and stuff like that. So, but now it's like, kind of feel like kind of ruined it for, you know what I mean? But it was cool till it came to my thought, you know what I mean? But now it's like, damn, you know? Because you gotta think, like, look, this is saying someone in the back seat had a sharp object. And I don't know what was going through their head, but they had a sharp object and they decided to cut up the seat. Which, hey, I'm glad you cut up the seat. Not, I don't know what you were thinking. But yeah, so that's why. So yeah, y'all. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna really let it get to me like that, but just be more careful and stuff like that. I'm always careful with my surroundings, but yeah, man, people do that. People be on some weird stuff. You feel me? They have a sharp object, and you just, you know, dropping them off at their location, and they take out their sharp object, and they could be thinking all kind of weird, crazy stuff. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, I'm gonna just keep working, do what I need to do, keep my eyes open, feel me? Give y'all this good content. Feel me? This is my life, y'all. I can't make this up. Feel me? So I'm finished cleaning this here up. And the rest of this day here started. I'm gonna act a little arrogant. It's up. What up, y'all? So we headed to San Francisco right now again. Headed to the Bay Area. Yeah, we're gonna be probably going in and out while I'm on the road, speaking with y'all and stuff like that. But yeah, so when I get there, probably gonna get something to eat. But anyway, yeah, rich nigga shit. Hola pena hapa. What is up, y'all? Jada here with another video, back with another vlog, back with another banger. Let's get it. We out here chilling, y'all. Say what's up.
There you go.
Oh, it's on? It's on.
Oh, he is crazy. Oh my gosh.
You ain't seen that.
He said, mm-mm. He said, mm-mm.
Doctor come in.
Oh no.
Your test today. What else they got up here? I'm a doctor today. I'm your doctor. Dr. Henry.
Dr.
Today, we're gonna do surgery.
Okay.
I don't have special gloves. My assistant's not in right now. But yes. What's up? This is my person right here. Sit down, boy.
Yeah, he about to get up.
Why are you making messes already?
Do you have any questions or anything right now? Or are they gonna give me a call for Yeah. So
You ain't even been here for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
What she gonna get? What you gonna get? You say hi? Or not? Hi.
Hi. What are you putting on?
I got it on Snap. If I come back in the vlog and I have a black eye, it's because of him. And this one here. I'm watching you. Yeah, see? He already shooting stuff. Say hi.
Hi.
What is up, y'all? Back with another daily vlog, back with another video, back with another banger. Getting on this grub. Oh. Oh my goodness.
No,
Oh.
Daddy.
Oh.
Why?
Ah. Ah. Watch where you step it. Oh my gosh.
Come here, Woody.
Oh. Wait. Ah. Why?
Woody.
I'm his punching bag now.
Yeah.
You happy now? You done crying? What's wrong?
You be dropping me off.
That's the new Buzz Light. Oh, I didn't realize that was the new one. We finna open it.
It says Lightyear.
Yeah. You wanna take a nap?
No.
You sure? You look tired, bud. Look. Your toy's coming out. Look. You tired. I know it. His reaction. Here. Look. Bud. Got your bud all fastened up now? Mr. Buzz Lightyear? Oh, now you want to play with it. You like it? Yeah. We out here. Got my cousin, man. Yeah.
That's mine up.
Yeah, we doing this.
You
How you doing?
What you said?
What you trying to get? Do you want to, let me see something.
She's not watching that go. I was in Fresno and I seen that. I was
The milkshake?
Yeah.
You try when how you work these?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And you choose.
Oh. Oh, you like them
Nah,
thick, huh?
nah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Only 280 and up, tell them. Maybe 250.
350?
Mhm.
Shit.
You got a nice face, 450. Shit.
God damn, thick. Oh, he's talking about, okay. He had the hourglass. He said, a lot of thick body, I ain't worried about it.
What's on the agenda?
You feel me? We finna get into something. You feel me? You already know.
No, I'm talking about Joe.
We finna get into something.
So, wait, what are we doing over here again? OG. Well, he can't see me. Now he keep going. It look like he had some work though. He's messing with that. That black woman.
He's gonna have some work over here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It seems pretty dry. I don't see no work over here.
Where she go? Where's his woman though?
Right here?
Like that. Excuse me.
Talk to
Yeah.
Right here, over here. What the fuck? Ask somebody. All right, brother. Oh, bro, I got 35 hundred, bro.
Babaloo.
Oh, you can go back. Yeah.
Go back the other way. Yeah. You just devoured the pickle.
I smacked that That whole pickle. This whole car probably smell like vinegar. And soy sauce, hella oil.
Nah, but they be fire though. You know what I mean? Like I was just telling them, back in the day, I used to have with the Kool-Aid. Feel me? Dry Kool-Aid. You just don't know that. That's some good shit.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's fire though.
Juice. Everybody motherfucker was soaking for years since BC. That people been soaking before Christ. Woo. Got them Roman juices in there.
Real.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch the OG right here. Look at that. Where my window go? Oh shit. Yo. Oh, you know I get some work? No. I'm not. No. Thank you, babe.
Appreciate it.
You too, babe.
Oh,
Where that dirt parking lot, we just gonna pull up that way.
so turn around.
Yeah, we're gonna pull up and slide out.
Alright.
I wish we had
Try to put this thing.
I beat that second one.
Wait, so you bought two?
Alright, we going. Alright,
No block.
Yeah.
Asking for the greenery.
alright.
This nigga crazy.
Yeah, he's high.
I feel like I'm underdressed. You know what I mean? I feel like I should have my Pooh Shiesty ski mask on. And you know, I need to be wearing a hoodie just to have that extra yo. You know what I'm saying? I need that extra respect on the block to give my my green, just to pick up the weed, just to pick it up.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. This is some OG right here.
Yeah.
How to get green. You feel me? Compared to how it is more modernized. You know,
Yeah.
with hitting the app or searching for the plug. This is how it used to be before it became legalized.
Yep.
So you had to scout.
That's why I only know one way on how to do it. If it's not there, I don't know no other way. You know what I mean?
Oh man. Where the plug?
You better stay away from white girls. Go damn.
Yeah.
White girls be dangerous.
You said Snow Bunny?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah.
That's what they be called her.
Hey,
Pog.
if you seen this video, I heard she had monkey. She had a monkey behind. She been eating some cornbread? Is that what you're saying? She been eating some cornbread? She found out about the collard green?
Yeah.
She found out the collard green, man.
Yeah.
About the collard green. Collard. If I was drugged, where would I be?
Oh,
That's funny. That is funny. That is a good question. Where would you be if you was drugged?
Put a truck right there. Shit, them 2 couples in there.
Oh, are you?
You got. It's like a creamy truck.
Yeah. At the day.
Got a face mask.
Oh, I got one in the car. I got them in the car if they don't got them. Excuse me, do you guys have a printer in here that we could use?
Yeah, so you can send it to the printer and we can print it for you.
Okay. Does it cost like how much?
So you have up to 2.
You said what now? Enjoying this Bay Area lifestyle right now. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Out here.
Take them on the
Ooh.
like 1 file for me.
Children's books.
Let me send them to you where we are.
Huh. Hey, bro. Hey, you skater? You do a kickflip? You a skater? No? Alright. I appreciate it, man.
Later, so you got paid for his time.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Right, he's not right now.
Nah,
He's
man.
been skating all day.
I'm trying to get some action on this camera.
You know, it won't be weird enough.
Random open house right now. Check it out.
Yeah. See what's popping.
See what's popping. See what's, yeah, I know, right? See what San Francisco's got. So I actually like these home styles of homes. You feel me? So we're trying to see what's popping. See if San Francisco could be the next move. Who knows?
Yeah, it probably could.
It probably could. You know
I'll be
what
out
I'm
here
saying?
walking the same exact strip.
I know. Literally, just what? We right around the corner from the. I forgot. Oh yeah, he got the gold on the top of there.
Where?
You see the face?
Yeah.
That's kind of hard.
Let's do this thing. Can I wash your car? Oh no, we're doing bad. You got gold on your.
Shit.
Amanda Jones.
I know, right? Oh, this is tight though. This is different. Yo, this is tight. I like.
This open house for surely.
Yup.
Man, yeah, this is cool.
I like this.
That white lady, she was looking at, what are you doing here?
Yeah. Working. You know what I'm saying? Yo, welcome to my house. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Share that video.
You know what I'm saying? MTV Cribs. You know what I'm saying? Come on in. Come on. You know what I'm saying? We got the office. We got the office right here. You know what I'm saying? Where I be doing the business, handling contracts. You feel me? Might sign your life away to me. But it's gonna be for a high dollar.
It took a whole lot of hard work, but this is how I'm living now.
Lifestyle. It's the lifestyle. It's the lifestyle. Yo, this is actually nice though. Look at this back patio. It's the back entryway. See the views. See the city. Ooh. Sterile. Actually, I'm finna walk this. Feel me? Kitchen. Ooh. I actually like this. High ceilings. Mirror. Ugh. Got another bedroom right here. I like how they staged this. This is nice. This is heck nice. Still high ceilings up here. We got some nice molding at the top right there. Oh, this is clean right here. Check this out. Good flooring. Other ceiling. Mirror, lighting. This is a unique shower right here too. I've never seen this. But it fits the vibe of the place. Got a nice view too. Liking this. I'm gonna go over here in this spiral stair. I think this is part of the house. Is this part of the house? Oh, it is, bruh. What the heck? This goes up. This is tight though. Checking the view out, yo. Oh, this is hard. I'll be up here all day. I ain't gonna lie. I'll definitely be up here all day. Chilling right here. Looking over the city. What? Can't tell me that's a view. Can't tell me that's not a view. Ugh. This is hard. You feel me? I kick it right here, laid back. You know what I'm saying? Have some goodies in here up top. This is hard right here. You feel me? Just the lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? Making moves for real. And everything is possible. You feel me? Yo, rich nigga.
I'll be right here. Look, I would get a fireplace. Oh, look at the view though.
Exactly. Exactly. Been there? Yo, yeah, they got that prepped.
She really did the open house tight.
She got that prepped.
Yeah, we got to get out here just for a hard time.
For real.
Look, that lady made me hella downstairs.
She has no clue.
Yeah.
I play with millions every day.
Like, we're only advertised to how they view us on TV, like, you know what I mean? But they don't mention the fact how they catch us in poverty, you know?
It's unlocked.
1 second.
Chopping Yeah,
I had
man.
a kid tell me
Love from the city.
we're taking it in game 7. So tonight is game 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
game 3 lost. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So look at you recording.
Yeah, hey, man, vlogging. This is, gotta work, you know what I'm saying? Anytime.
So school me to the game. When I'm recorded, then what happens? It goes viral?
It can, it's possible.
Yeah.
Anything is possible, you feel me? I hope. You know what I'm
People,
saying?
Yeah, like it or, you know what I mean?
You all fly as a motherfucker.
We
Yes,
try,
sir.
I mean,
Keep on cursing.
You good, man.
Yeah,
You
I'm
good.
gonna keep on cursing.
You know, hope your mama, your aunties and them don't see this, you know what I'm saying?
Right?
You was on that channel. I seen you on it, and you was.
What channel?
No,
My
just
channel,
Whatever,
my-
yeah.
Yeah, Jada Jada. Jada Jada is the channel.
I was on your channel?
You'd be on my channel, on my vlog.
Okay, are you...
Shout out, you got a business, what you got going on?
I know.
Don
I perfect
Cornelius.
fit. Bob, we
Carter
got it,
Casas.
That's how we doing, brother. We trying
Hey,
to soar
yeah,
away.
yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah.
That way, that way.
Questions about, what rights do I have, maybe, or sometimes even if they don't, if they
Got that theater back there.
if they can't help you, they'll.
You know what I'm saying? We got this mukbang going on right now. What was this place that we had?
Bullshit.
Bullshit. It sounded like you said bullshit.
Yeah.
Bullshit.
Badass.
This ketchup? No, this is ketchup. Alright, y'all, so, you know what I mean? We just been roaming the city, really. You feel me? Cousin showing me,
Free houses and shit.
you know what I'm saying? Showing me the city, showing him some spots, too, while we out here. Got some lettuce here.
I was sitting up there to my mom, like, Mom, look how I'm living now. I didn't want to tell you about it. I was gonna surprise you, baby. The rest of the stuff, don't worry about it. You don't see any liquid assets right now or cash. That's just, you know what I mean? I put them in this house. That's why. Just sell it.
This shit's fire, though.
I'm gonna send that video to my mom though, right now. And it's a real piece of chicken. Damn.
I know.
This is bought off.
Fire. And barbecue, what? What's it called?
It's called a hickory barbecue chicken salad. Hickory.
Bomb.
I almost got the teriyaki on.
Teriyaki. I'm gonna have that with cheese. It's good though. Nice flavor to sauce. From the bread too.
I don't too much care that it's grilled. You know, hard bread bites you back.
No, right?
And you just bite me? I'm sorry, I'm eating you. Take that. Don't everybody be getting like that. Hard bread be biting you back.
So what do you think about tonight's game? What are your predictions?
I think we're gonna whoop their ass. I think.
My bad. First of all,
They're booties. If we're online, they're booties.
but who though? I'm talking about NBA. So
Oh, Warriors.
the Warriors versus
Boston.
Boston.
Warriors gonna win tonight.
You going for Warriors? You know what I'm saying? 30 on the board.
Shall I show you guys my library card, or you know what I mean?
Wait, what?
Because we're going for Warriors, and on my card, I got Steph.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. He didn't get it, you guys. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure most of you.
You
guys
talking about
did.
from earlier today? Earlier today, he got a library card. You know what I'm saying? He was handling some business,
with Steph Curry on there.
and they was advertising Steph Curry. That man is everywhere. The restaurant we was just at, Plastic Big Head. You know what I mean? I should have recorded that. I didn't. We just went in and got it the food. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. But
Badass, though. That was, yeah.
yeah, man, we going for Curry for sure.
30.
But y'all,
Like, even the air is crisp out here. I gotta breathe out here.
feel good out here for real.
Yeah.
But I don't know. This would be a nice mood to be out here. I'm actually liking the vibe.
That part.
Like
the city been showing love, like just randomly. You know what I'm saying? It reminds me of like that southern hospitality for real. Like I like it out here because I am interested in moving to LA. You feel me? I got
There's a
family out
cannabis
there.
shop to show us love too.
I believe so.
In LA, that's all I did. I was in Chino, Montclair, you name it. Different cannabis shops. All of them don't carry the same strand, you know? You ever get some cat piss or something? I don't smoke cat piss, but... Or some sour diesel from a shop.
Some very awkward names.
Yeah, but when you go to another shop and you look for that same, you know, name, the brand product or strand, they don't have it. Or if they do have it, it's nothing like the strand you got because some people just be naming weeds and they're not really, you know what I mean?
Oh, I've never had that, so that's why when you said that,
Yeah, I
cat
had
piss,
sour
I was like,
diesel.
what the heck? What is that?
What's this say again?
Cat piss. Never heard of it. Never heard of it.
It's like purple kush. It's another strand of weed. I don't smoke it because the thought of it. It's just cat piss. Oh no, I'm fine, bro. Go ahead. No, you cool. It's good. It's just called cat piss, but no, I'm cool. I appreciate the offer.
No, when someone that was hella random. I did not see her come up. But when someone damn. Oh, I ain't fast enough with the camera. You feel me? I would have showed y'all, you know what I'm saying? Baddies walking around. Gotta get the baddies, but I'm eating, so they just roaming. Feel me? But yeah.
They got us on their GPS.
Huh. The radar is active.
Whew. This is really good.
We gonna get back with y'all.
Gonna end the vlog right here, y'all. But make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. See you on the next vlog.